Hey, Don here. How's everybody doing? Today I did a little water flow test. We've been having a little discussion about whether you lose flow or not. And I guess it all depends on what the numbers are on your injector. That's good information today that I found out about. Mine's a 2.3, so I don't lose any flow at all, really. So, and now I'll show you that in the test at the end of the day today. But today I did a nice house wash job. The lady was very happy, gave me a nice little tip. Took care of her. She'll be a repeat customer, which is always a plus. But to put the water flow test to the testing was a lot of fun. And you can always learn something new every day if you can. It only benefits you and makes you a smarter person. If you have more knowledge, the more knowledge you have, the better off you are, right? And then sharing it with everybody else is even better. So cool. I'm enjoying the discussions on my channel, and I appreciate everybody participating and teaching me a thing or two about numbers and stuff like that. It does make a lot of sense. I wonder what a 2.5 would do. Wow, maybe I'll boost that SH up to about a 1.4. Maybe I'll try that. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast, and you know you gotta get after it. Hey, good morning, Don here. Standing here in my side yard. Looking at all these trees I planted when they were little. All these oak trees fit in the back of my pickup truck in my little wooden trailer. I bought 10 of them. Place was going out of business years ago, so I paid $800 for 10 nice laurel oaks. Look at these trees. Surrounded the dry garage here, and this little guy here, we added it to the mix a while after. Those two there, those are camphor trees in the front. And all those trees over there, those are live oaks. All them big ones there. I just had them trimmed up about 6-8 months ago. They look pretty good. They look healthy. But it's always good to have plants and stuff in your yard. Makes it look nice. All right, there's the rig. And we are ready to do a job today. It's Saturday morning. It's a nice morning. Nice and calm out. And we got one house wash. And then she said something about getting the the pool cage spot treated. I don't know how you do that, but I mean, if there was one little spot, you know, spot treat of mold, and you just go psst, and then it's it, right? I'd probably do that for free. All right, here we are at the job. There's a lot of green mold right here. See that? Dirty fascia and soffits. All moldy all the way across the top. Moldy all the way up there. Get all that. We have that stuff all the way at the top. Mold all the way across. Just needs a good cleanup. Let's check this other side. Oh yeah. Gutters are all dirty. Alright, we got a spot treatment we're going to do on the pool cage. Brought to you by Chapin chemical sprayer. This thing sprays a mile. And she just has a couple of cross beams that need to be hit, so we'll just go ahead and hit it. And I won't charge her. Just a little something. Good deed for the week. All right, let's go ahead and check it out. What we're talking about here. All right. You probably can't even see it from here. But 1, 2, and 3 has a little bit of stuff on it. So let's, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it or not. Let's check it out. Okay. It's just that easy. You see what I mean? It's going to sit up there. It'll be gone in seconds. All right, then we got a little bit more in here that she wanted me to check out. Let's take a look at that. A little bit of mold right across the top right there. All right, let's see. See if we can watch it or not. I don't know. Oh, there you go. Oh. Huh. Perfect. Alright, and it's just that easy. See, that black stuff's already gone away. And when I'm back here, I'll just go ahead and rinse it real fast. You see that over there? Alright, it's looking better. Just hit it real quick, then we'll be done. Alright, let's get after it. Alright, obviously we're going to start the job right here. That's very dirty up there. Look at that. This is the worst part of the house. All right, no tripod, so it's gonna be kind of some handheld stuff today. All right, I'm done. Let's get after it. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is apply the SH to the side of the home over there. And the side along that screen there. Then I'm gonna rinse all that stuff off in the full cage real quick. Then work our way around the front, go down the side, around the back. The driveway. We'll be done quick. We're going to apply with the V-Jet tip right now with the SH. Then I'm going to knock all those rails down with the jet wash. All right, let's rock and roll. All right, now we're applying the SH to the side here. You'll be able to see it come right off of there. Nice coat of this SH with the sticky, icky surfactant kicking into gear there, sticking to everything, which is a good thing. It works great. Look at that. Mold's gone from up there already. Get after a little bit. Behind that fence there. Alright, that should do it. Switch hands. Hey, that's pretty good, huh? Pretty slick there, Wilbur. Oh, gee, Tennessee. Pretty slick. Coming. No time for jokes. Oh yeah, it's looking a lot nicer, huh? Alright. That's pretty good. Gotta hit the side of this gutter here. Alright, now we'll rinse all this stuff off. We'll be right back. Alright, for the most part that SH wiped it out, but we'll go ahead and get it with this jet tip. Ready? clean, eh? Look at that. Hey Tom, I hope that tip you got yesterday, that 0010, working with your 5.5 gallon per minute, should. Sounds like the guy you get your stuff from knows what he's doing. Alright, I'm Don from Super Blast, and I got an 8 gallon a minute machine, so it's a 0015 wash jet tip. Alright, let's get after it. Alright, let's have a look. Check it out. All that mold's all gone, everything's squeaky. Pool cage is good. Be a happy customer when we're all done. Alright, now we're going to put SH along the side of the house here. Front of the house, I mean. Then down the side. And look, we can use this garbage pail as a tripod. Alright, let's get after it. Let's take a look. All that mold is gone, huh? The driveway's all nice and SH. Let it do its thing. We'll go ahead and attack this rinse out here out the front. Did someone say rinse? Satisfying. Alright, let's take a look. It's all brand new looking. Yeah, baby. Then the top of the gutter was all black. It's all clean. Everything in here is clean. The lighter back just gotta hit this couple spots right there. Put the bug sprayer and that'll take care of that. Anyway, you don't want to blast too hard by that drywall. We have persuaders. Alright, let's get after the rest of this. As you can see, these gutters are bad. See how dirty the soffit is? All the way down. Alright, let's get her done. Alright, as you can see, the gutters are already turning a lot lighter color, huh? And the soffit under there is looking beautiful. And you can see the soap. The soap sticks to everything. Look at that. Sticky icky, baby. Gee, Tennessee, that stuff really works good. That's right, Chumley. Ameritech knows what they're doing. Chumley, it's time for the rinse. All right, let's have a look. Beautiful. Nice and clean, huh? Anyway, look how nice. Shiny, shiny, shiny. Like a new penny. All right, now we just got to do the driveway and hit that one little spot in the doorway up there. And we'll be done. You know what? We must get after it.
Time
last leg. Driveway's all clean. House looks really good. Looks a lot brighter.
Hey, Chumley, I can tell the folks what the heck time it is. You know what time it is, right?
Oh, gee, Tennessee. It's time for the satisfying rinse.
That's right, Chumley. Now get after it.
All right, let's have a look at the angle that makes it show really nice. That looks good. That side of the house looks good. Place looks great. All right. Now, the only thing you need to do and remember is, if you have a problem with your property, you live in Florida, you know who to call, right, baby? That's right. Get after it. Don from Super Blast. I got a new customer, Teresa. Tell everybody what you think about the job.
It looks absolutely awesome.
There you have it. Get after it. All right, that was a good job. Nice people. It's always a good deal when you have customers that are very appreciative of what you do. And the house looks just fantastic. Look at that. Looks good. Thank you for the work, Teresa, and we'll see you next time. Get after it. Okay, Don here. Here's the last part of what we're going to be doing today. We are going to test the water flow with the downstream injector hooked up, and then we're going to act like we have a bypass, and I'm just going to unhook it and hook straight to the loader, and we're going to see if we get any more rinsing flow or not. I don't know if it's true or not, but we are going to find out. I got a stopwatch here, and we're going to see what happens. All right, everything's set up. I have the injector set up in a 5-gallon bucket so we can use it. Okay, and then I have a 5-gallon bucket that's empty, and I am straight into the loader right now with 15 feet of hose. So we're just going to run right out of the ball valve at 8 gallons a minute. All right, let's get after it. I need to get a tripod, so we'll be right back. Okay, let's try it again. Now that I know how to work the stopwatch, it ought to go pretty good. All right, first test is going to be without the injector. All right, we're looking at 42 seconds, 0.51. Okay, that's without the injector. Now we're going to hook the injector up and we'll time it. And we're filling up a 5-gallon bucket at 8 gallons a minute. All right, let's see how the flow is with the injector. Okay, now we're going to do it with the injector. The injector's hooked up and it's even got a leak. So let's see how it works out. All right, let's get after it. Zeros across the board. Okay. Glad we settled that one, right? I was talking to my phone, thinking I'm looking at the video camera. I need some sleep. Anyway, there's actually no difference whatsoever whether you have an injector in or the injector out. All right, I'm Don, and it's just that easy, baby. Get after it. Don here from Super Blast. My whole family gets after it. Even my dog gets after it. Watch this. Hey, Sam, sit down. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Get after it. What do we do, hon?
We all get after it.
See that? Get after it. Well, guys, thank you for everything. And what do we do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home,
Everybody gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it. Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet you he even gets after it.
This is Mr. American.
Get after it! All right, well, here I am getting ready to vacate Ameritech. And what do we do here at Ameritech?
Get after it.
Get after it!